Hello everyone, myself Lakshmila Suthar. Today we will learn class 7th mathematics chapter 1st integers, and this is 5th video. In this we will learn about properties of multiplication of integers. यानी हम इसमें if we multiply any two integers, then how many types of their properties they हैव और पजेस, यानी कितने टाइप की प्रॉपर्टीज उसमें वे सेटिस्फाई करते हैं और होती है वो देखेंगे। इसमें आगे बढ़ने से पहले हम देखते हैं हमने इससे पहले पिछले वीडियो में क्या सीखा था। वी लर्न अबाउट दैट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स इज पॉजिटिव इफ एनी वन इज नेगेटिव देन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वन पॉजिटिव एंड अदर नेगेटिव इज नेगेटिव, एंड व्हेन बोथ integers are negative then the product is positive, and the product of an integer with 0 is also 0. An integer may be either positive or negative. The answer is 0. Now in this we will discuss first commutative property. What is commutative property? ये commutative property होती क्या है ये हम इस पर डिस्कस करेंगे। To discuss this with this property, let us consider the product of two number. Here I have taken one is 5, other number is 1. Then the product of these two, because both numbers are positive, then the product will be positive. 5 1 ja 5. It means the answer is 5. Now 1 multiplied by 5, the answer is also same 5. 1 5. It means the table of 1 5 times or table of 5 1 times. Here you can see the number 5 written in the first place become in the second place, and the number 1 in the first one was on second place, but here the number is on first place, means the position of these two numbers is interchanged, then the product is remain same. Now for वन पॉजिटिव एंड अदर नेगेटिव, अगर एक नंबर पॉजिटिव दूसरा नंबर नेगेटिव होता तो क्या होता है वो भी देखते हैं। तो -5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, 5 2 जा 10, बट वन इज नेगेटिव अदर इज पॉजिटिव, सो द प्रोडक्ट विल बी नेगेटिव टू -10. सिमिलरली 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -5, 2 5 जा 10, बट वन इज पॉजिटिव अदर इज नेगेटिव, तो प्रोडक्ट विल बी नेगेटिव तो -10. हियर the product is same, -10, but look these two. We observe that here the position of these two number is interchanged. You can observe this, the position of -5 first to second place, and the position of 2 is second to first place. Now look another example, 5 multiplied by -3. If we multiply 5 by -3, then the answer will be -15, because one is positive, other is negative. Then the answer will be negative. 5 3 ja 5 3 ja 15, positive negative multiplied negative. And next one, -3 multiplied by 5, then answer will be -15. Here we observe that the position of 5 is from first to second place, and the position of 3 from second place to first place. In these two calculations, the position of -3 is from second place to, here it becomes first place. And look another example, when both numbers are negative. Here we take different types of numbers. -5 multiplied by -4, both numbers are negative. We observed in the previous lesson that the product of two integers when both are negative is positive. So 5 4 ja 20, negative into negative will be positive. And next, -4 multiplied by -5, same, the answer is 20, positive. 4 5 ja 20, both negative, so answer will be positive. In this way we observe that the calculation or the product remains same. Here 5 5, -10 -10, -15 -15, 20 20, means the product remains same. Then what is the change? The change is minor change. The place of these two means into remains same, in the middle the into, but the position of these two numbers we can write it as for any integer. If we write a multiplied by b, then the answer will be same as b multiplied by a. And this property known as commutative property for multiplication. Means next one associative property. अब ये देखेंगे एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी होती क्या है, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, कंसीडर करते हैं कैलकुलेशन. एग्जाम्पल में आप देख रहे होंगे 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय -3 into -4 means we have to multiply 3 numbers at a time, but it is not possible to multiply 3 numbers at a time because we have to multiply first 2 number then the product with the third number. यानी हम एक साथ तीनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पहले कोई से भी 2 नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और उसके बाद उस जो आंसर आएगा उसको थर्ड से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो ऐसा कैसा इसमें देखते हैं क्या होता है. तो हियर 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, हियर वी यूज्ड अ ब्रैकेट, बिग ब्रैकेट और स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट between last two numbers -3 and 4. Now the product of these two. So first we will solve bracket -3 multiplied by 4. What is the answer? 3 4 ja 12. But one is negative, other is positive. The answer will be negative. So here we get -12, 5 and into or product same 5 into 5 dimension and the product of these two is -12. Means we got 5 multiplied by -12. Then next we will multiply 5. Means this is the product of these two. Means this product will be multiplied by the third one. Means last में कौन सा बच गया था, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट हो गया, बचा कौन सा है 5. इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर क्या होगा, 12 5 जा, अब टेबल याद करनी पड़ेगी, 12 5 जा 60, तो 60, 12 5 जा 60. But minus here this number is negative and it is positive. Negative multiply or positive multiply by negative, the answer will be negative. We learned in the previous lesson. Now consider another one. If we combine first, if we multiply first these two, means in this way. If we use this bracket for the first two and left third number as, then what will, so now the product of these two, 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, but one number is positive, another is negative, so the answer will be negative. So -15, the product of these two number is -15. Now we will find the product of -15 and the remaining number 4. What will be the answer? We have to learn table of 15. 15 4 ja 60, 15 4 ja 60. So the answer will be 60. But one number is negative, other is positive. So the product will be negative. Negative multiplied by positive, the answer is negative. The product, in the case of product, it will be negative. Now observe these two. We observe that in the first product is also -60 and in the second the product is also -60. इन दोनों में जो प्रोडक्ट है -60 है, it means left side of both will be same. Means we can write it as 5 multiplied by this one, means this instead will be equal to this one. Or in general we can write it as A multiplied by B. First we will multiply A and B, then the product multiplied by C will be same as first we multiply B and C, and this product or this answer will be multiplied by the A will remain same. And such property known as associativity for multiplication, and it is also true for integers. Means we observe that the commutative and associative property for multiplication of integers is true. And in this you can observe that what is the change, the bracket, it was here and moved to after close, means here, and the next bracket, close the bracket from here to last one, means we are making pairs from first or from last, and this property known as associativity. Now we will discuss distributive property of integers. We learned in class 6 also that distributive property of positive integers, means positive integers you can say natural number and also for whole numbers. Now look at the example. This is the sum of two integers plus 13 and minus 3. What will be the sum? इनका plus sum क्या होगा वो देखते हैं. तो one number is positive, other is negative. तो subtract करेंगे. Subtract 13 minus 3. Answer is 10. But we subtracted 3 from 13 and 13 is a positive number. So answer will be positive. So now if we multiply both sides of these by 5, then we get. अगर हम इसके दोनों साइड में 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, दोनों साइड मीन्स दिस इज द इक्वल एंड फ्रॉम इक्वल वी हैव राइट साइड एंड फ्रॉम हियर लेफ्ट साइड. लेफ्ट साइड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस 5 एंड राइट साइड आल्सो 5. So 5 into 10 in the right side and 5 into bracket we have to write in whole bracket. If we write 5 multiplied by 13 plus minus 3, it will be wrong because the product of 5 is only with 13. So we cannot write like in this way. We have to write by using bracket because we have to consider this is a one quantity and हमको इसको एक ही नंबर कंसीडर करके ऐसे लिखना है, नहीं तो क्या होगा wrong, गलत माना जाएगा. Now right hand side of this 5 multiplied by 10, 5 10s are 50. So the right side will be 50 and the left side I written as same, it is no change. Now let us see in the next step. Consider 5 into 3 and 5 into minus 3. I written here that 5 को 3 से 13 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 5 को minus 3 से, और ये जो प्लस है वो एडिशन है. Then what happen? अब क्या होता है हम देखते हैं. 5 को माइनस 5 को 13 से, अब 5 की टेबल 13 टाइप बोलनी है, फिर 13 की टेबल 5 टाइप्स बोलनी है. तो 13 5 जा 65. So the answer will be first 65 plus plus. Now this one as it is. Now consider this is the answer of product of these two. Because these two are positive, then the answer is also positive. We learned that दो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स है तो उनका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो भी क्या होगा पॉजिटिव, ये हमने सीखा था. और नेक्स्ट लुक 5 multiplied by minus 3, one is positive other is negative. 5 की टेबल कितनी बार बोल रही 3 times. 5 3 जा 15, 5 3 जा 15, but here one number is positive other is negative, so the product will be negative, so minus 15. Now we observe that 65 positive number here minus 15 and we have to find the sum of it. Plus means sum. इसका हमको क्या फाइंड करना है sum. का sum कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? One is positive, other is negative. तो we will subtract. From which number we have to subtract? Which one? कौन से नंबर में से हमको कौन सा? तो हमने देखा था क्या देखा कि जो बड़ा छोटा कैसे नहीं. More steps as we learn that more step in which direction? Positive direction or negative direction? So here 65 in the positive way, in the right hand side of 0, more than the left hand side, because in the left hand side of 0 we have only 15. So this one will be these steps 65 more than 15. So 65 minus 15, 65 में से 15 माइनस करो कितना होगा 50. 65 minus 15, answer is 15. We subtracted minus 15 from the 15 from this one positive, so answer is positive 50. Now observe that this number is also 50. Means what happened? This 50 is the sum solution of this, means this 50 is equal to this one, and also the calculation 5 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by minus 3 is also 50. Both have same. It means these two will be also equal. It means we can write it as 5 multiplied by 13 plus bracket minus 3 will be equal to 5 multiplied by 13 plus 5 multiplied by minus 3. And these properties property known as distributive property. Distributive मतलब क्या होता है, बांटना. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है. कौन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है देखते हैं. तो इन जनरल वे a मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, in place of 5 if you write a, तो ये 5 के प्लस a लिख दिया, a and the first rows multiplication sign same, and in place of 13 b, 13 के प्लस पे क्या लिख दिया b, इधर 13 नहीं है, and -3 के प्लस पे क्या लिख दिया c, और ये c, it means we have a multiplied by whole bracket b plus c bracket close equal to a multiplied by b first plus then a multiplied by c, यानी दो ऐसे. तो we observe that a cross a into distributed to b as well as c. You can observe a cross b first and then plus as it is, and the next a cross c, a into c, and this property known as distributive property for integers. Today in this lesson we learned that the integers have commutative property, means the product of two integers is commutative. A multiplied by b same as b multiplied by a. Next we learned that associative property, means if we want to find the product of more than two numbers, more than two means three numbers or 4, 5, so first we have to multiply two numbers. Here the order a multiplied by b multiplied by c, means first we have to multiply these two, then multiply by c, or a multiplied by product of last two remain same, and such property known as associative property. ये हमने सीखा. Next distributive property. In distributive property we learn that a cross b plus c, यानी a multiplied by bracket b plus c will be equal to bracket a cross b bracket close plus bracket a cross c bracket closed. Thank you. This is for today.